Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on MENTELLECT Patreon.
You know, the soul of America must be restored in order for us to move forward. And you could tell that that's an energy, that it's a power that is stored up in a chosen group of people. It is an energy and power that is stored up into a chosen group of people to take the earth forward into the fourth dimension, to drive the earth into the sun. The souls of our people must be restored in order for this to take place, which means there must be a remnant of our people who want to keep their souls in alignment collectively together. I put up a post on the Facebook page, and it was more along the lines of the effect of, like I said, it says, why the Lord's people must be separated from everyone else. You see, while the Lord's people, the soul people, have to be separated from everybody else, because these people, they are weak spirits who have attached to the spirit of the beast. They are going to be destroyed as a people, as a power on the earth. They will be submerged in solar fire, solar mental fire, solar physical fire, and just straight up soul fire. What do I mean by that? That the power of the soul is all-encompassing. The power of the soul is all-encompassing. This country called America was brought about by soul power, by the music of our people, by the mindset of our people, by the physical labor of our people. The literal soul of this country, the literal spark of this country, the literal power of this country came from the souls of our people. Everything we put into this. People, let me tell you something. People know America because of what we salvaged through here in America. The people don't care about none of that George Washington crap. Nobody cares about none of that George Washington, the damn Constitution. Nobody gives a about none of that stuff that this country was supposedly set up on. People, you know how you know that? I'm going to tell you, you know how you know that? Whenever they talking about, notice when the beast is ever talking about definitive moments here in America, they always got to reference our people, be it slavery, civil rights, right, rioting, the Ku Klux Klan. Notice all of the events that America is known for, that brought change to America, that brought some form of evolution to America, even though it's the downfall of the beast, was all based off of our people. You can't tell nobody pretty much anything here of American history without getting past our people. And the American history they tell you about, nobody cares about that. Nobody cares about that.
For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to MENTELLECT Patreon. Go to MENTELLECT Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to MENTELLECT Patreon and join the American Republic.
Subscribe to Ethnic American Channel with Sister N.R. Vendetta. That's our channel, the Ethnic American Channel.
And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with NUBEN MENKARAYZZ.